Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today we are going to learn about the short vowels. Now listen and understand. The short vowels are pronounced quickly and not as long as long vowel sounds. Short a sound. Ab, ad, ag, am, like short sound. An apple is a but apple. Cat, sad, map, bank, flag. Now you read it. Cab, dab, gab, jab, lab, nab, tab. Now with add, bad, dad, had, mad, bad, dad. Now with ag, bag, hag, lag, rag, sag, tag, wag. Now with am, bam, dam, jam, ram, mam, sam, yam. Now with an, ban, can, fan, man, pan, ran, wan. See you in the next lesson.